Do you want to have new profile customizations on your Discord profile? Well, Discord recently launched a new feature where you are able to customize your own profile, including adding an About Me section and also a header when someone clicks on your profile. In this video, you are going to learn how to get Discord profile customizations.
Right guys, before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss out on future uploads.
Additionally, don't forget to join my Discord server, link on screen, for high-quality emotes, stickers, and active chats. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to user settings on the bottom left, and then head over to user profile. You will now see the customizations and the example of your customizations. In the About Me, you can add links and even markdowns. Do not forget to save your changes. Now it is time to add your profile banner. Your default banner is the color that shows up in your profile picture the most.
Note that this banner feature is only available to people with regular Nitro and not people with classic Nitro, so do not comment why you can't add a profile banner when you don't have regular Nitro.
Click on the Change Banner button and add whatever banner you like. Do not forget to save your changes.